It's summer, which means we're also at the halfway point for 2019. Has this year exceeded your expectations, or have you continued to find more obstacles in your business path? If you're like most collision repairers, it seems to be getting harder to fix vehicles properly and be paid beyond a break-even point. A few years ago, it seems all you had to do was keep your head down and work faster to make more money. But today, as the vehicles grow more complicated to repair, we have to slow down. Simply, the collision repair industry, or more specifically, collision repairers, cannot sustain under the current work conditions and beliefs. So how about spending a little time on the beach to get your mind right? June 20th through the 22nd, I'm bringing the best collection of training ever assembled to the Pelican Grand Beach Resort in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. These 4 hand-selected training classes will not be offered together again in 2019. We'll start off on the 20th with estimating. This class is designed for the seasoned veteran and the beginner alike. We'll debunk everything you thought you knew about estimating. Did you know it's not the estimator's responsibility to identify damage? Did you know utilizing the estimating system in the repair planning is a guaranteed way to reduce your profits and lose technicians? This class will teach you a repeatable and profitable way of doing business and put estimators back on the track to their real purpose in the collision repair industry. Then Friday the 21st, we'll discuss the changing landscape of file documentation and negotiation. What forms are now required by state and federal law for a repair? What methods of communication match different requirements in the repair process? When to ask, when to listen, and when to apply certain techniques. But most important, how documentation plays into your negotiation. Are you tired of hearing consultants and experts in this industry tell you that just taking good photos and writing line notes will get you paid, only to be told no over and over by adjusters? It's not as simple or as easy as some want to make it sound. There is a process to preparing, presenting, and executing a negotiation strategy. And it's not simple, and it's not easy. But once you master it, the freedom you will feel executing your job and running your business will be life-changing. On Saturday the 22nd, we pair up 2 do-not-miss classes. First, OEM repair procedure research and implementation. Let's be honest, finding OEM repair information isn't the problem. Understanding how to translate that information into estimate lines and then communicate that into the repair plan for technicians to implement, well, that's the problem. This 4-hour class presents a repeatable method in which any shop can master OEM repair procedures and realize increased profits at the same time. Learn how to communicate processes with your technicians and how quality control, or QC, works with OEM methods. We'll wrap up this 3-day event with what could be the most important class of the 4, customer service, controlling the narrative. Did you know an overwhelming majority of shops lose their court cases over customer service and not the repair? Did you know that your shop's CSI score has nothing to do with your customer service rating? Did you know that there are state and federal laws that apply to customer service? Well, this class will focus on the most important aspect of your business, your customer. How you handle the customer from the very first touch point to the final moments is critical in your business survival. In the collision repair industry, we've substituted customer service with customer satisfaction. We'll discuss how that era is destroying the collision repair industry and what processes you can put in place to immediately regain the control of the narrative in your customer's journey. We've never offered these 4 courses together before. Combined, they are a powerful foundation for any repair facility to change the course of their business. The collision repair landscape will continue to change. Repairs will continue to become more complex and take more time, resources, and skill level from your technicians. Your ability to compete will simply come down to your ability to see the industry, your business, and the customer in a new and empowered way. Join us June 20th through June 22nd in Fort Lauderdale, Florida for a little sand and an entirely new view of our industry.